So this is to make a lamb kebab. This is lamb rump, around 300 gram size. I need to remove the fat skin from here. And once the skin is taken out, I'm going to slice it, okay, like this thickness. It'll be around 10 grams. So we got 2 lamb rump, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then half a teaspoon of chili powder, salt, quarter of a teaspoon, oil, 2 tablespoons. Now mix everything. You can marinate like this and keep it for at least 6 hours. So now we can skewer the lamb pieces already marinated with some onions on the base in a bamboo skewer. There is 2 layers of onion, so it's thicker enough. Now skewer it. Just fold it like this. So when it's flat, it cooks easy. So you can add 1 more piece of onion. You can repeat the process. And if you want, you can mix with color peppers as well in between each layers. So now it's all skewered properly and kept. In a restaurant situation, you can do like this and keep in the fridge. When the order comes, you can put in a char grill or on a grill pan. So I'm putting in a grill pan now. So like this, ideally 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, it should be done. And leave it to rest or completely the juice drain off and serve it. So now after 2 minutes on one side, we just lift it, turn the side and cook for another 2 minutes. So if it's slightly pushed up, you can press it down. So after 2 minutes on the other side as well, it's ready. Now you can just lift it off. Okay, we can take it off now. So after 2 minutes on cooking and then turning for the other side as well, it's ready. We can take it out and rest it for a minute before we plate it. So there will be no juice oozing out from the kebab. So now it's rested. You can see all the juice on the bottom. Take a kitchen towel, just tap it like this so it doesn't dirty the plate. Place it like this. I got some chutney. You can see my videos how to make the mint chutney. And on top, some crispy onions, so that gives additional crunch and texture.